वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 7th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 7 व्हाट इज़ अ डेमोक्रेसी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके थिंक एंड आंसर और समरी का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा और साथ ही साथ इस वीडियो का एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक भी आपको वहाँ से मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। रीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू or false. First one, India is the oldest and America is the largest democracy. False. Second, representatives make decision on behalf of the public who voted for them. True. Third, all the countries have direct democracy. False. Fourth, the process of democracy stays the same for each town and village. True. Fifth, 167 out of 193 countries are democracies. True. Some questions with answers based on the passage. First one, what is the world's largest democracy? Answer, India. Second, what type of democracy involves citizens voting directly on issues? Answer, direct democracy. Third, what type of democracy involve electing representative to vote on behalf of citizens? Answer, representative democracy. Fourth, which country is an example of a direct democracy practice? Answer, Switzerland. Question number 5. What is the key principle of democracy? Answer, voice. Sixth, how many countries in the United Nations are democracies? Answer, 167. Seventh, what type of democracy does India have? Answer, representative democracy. Eighth, how many people are in a small democracy? Example in the passage? Answer, 3. 9. In the United States, when did women gain the right to vote? Answer, 100 years ago. Question number 10. Who is the author of the passage or chapter? Answer, Siddharth Jaiman. 11. What is the world's oldest democracy? Answer, United States. Last, 12 number. How many students are mentioned in the school example? Answer, 3000. Question number B. Read these sentences and answer the questions with reference to the context. People could vote directly for every decision or elect representative who vote on their behalf. The first would be called a direct democracy and the second would be a representative democracy. So, question number A. What is the direct democracy? Answer, a direct democracy is a system where people vote directly for every decision. Question number B. How is it different from representative democracy? Answer, in a direct democracy, people vote on decisions themselves, whereas in a representative democracy, people elect representatives who vote on their behalf. Question number C. Which one of the two do you think is more efficient? Answer, representative democracy. Reason, because it is more practical for larger population. Next question, question number C. Answer these questions briefly. First one, why is it more practical for larger countries to adopt representative democracy instead of direct democracy? So answer is, it is more practical because it is logistically challenging for all citizens to vote on every single issue in large countries. Question number 2. Give an example of direct democracy from the passage. Answer, Switzerland. Question number 3. Name the two countries mentioned in the passage as examples of representative democracies. Answer, India and the United States. Fourth, how does democracy ensure fair decision making for the common people? Answer, democracies ensures fair decision making by giving everyone a voice in how the country is run, either directly or through elected representatives.
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।